good morning! I am now having my breakfast, just only a pancake, no syrup. I'm good for that. And my Filipino coffee. And Honey is driving. Hi Honey, good morning.
Morning, my God.
Good morning, good morning. Since our schedule is not that tight, we have lots of time to go to our destination. So my hubby stop here in information of, what is this? Indiana! We have a chance to stop in each state information center. And nandito na kami sa Indiana, guys! Welcome to Indiana! Crossroads of America. Wow, Crossroads of America. Take a picture with Indiana sign. Nagka-chance akong mag-stop sa mga information center dahil hindi masyadong hectic yung schedule ni Mr. So, this load is gonna be on the next week. Supposed to be this load is gonna be on Monday, but I think Monday is holiday. It's a Labor Day. Yeah, so walang pasok. So, this load is gonna be on Tuesday, hopefully. We are almost there, so nothing to rush. So yeah, I'm just enjoying to stop in different information center, take a picture as long as I can, take a video. So here I am, walking. Yes. Looks like these trees are experiencing now autumn, very early. They are already bald trees. I'm back in the truck. Thank you, honey, for stopping by. I missed to take a video of Indianapolis. Indianapolis is the capital city of Indiana. I was doing editing, so that's why. We are now in the state of Ohio. Mga ano lang sila, hindi masyadong long miles. How many miles na in Indiana? Less than 200 miles, I guess. Yeah, it's 150 miles. So this is Highway 70 East. We're heading towards where, honey? West Virginia. Free travel guides for hotels, trails. Oh, you can get any of these travel guides. I don't see any welcome sign here of Ohio. Ang ganda nito, gawing Christmas tree. This car holder carry how many cars? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Sometimes there are 10 cars that they carry. Hello guys! We're stopped now. Lumabas lang ako sa truck. Mas mataas pa sa akin yung mais. Grabe yung mais guys, oh. Daming bunga guys. So, dito na lang ako mag-shoutout guys because my husband is taking a nap. So, I don't want to disturb. I don't want to talk there. So, anyway, para maiba naman ang ambience. I wanna do to shout out to Maria Davis from Houston, Texas. Hello! Shout out to Aldred Mickey at sa kanyang mama. Hello! Shout out to Estrella Gaviola from Kawayan, Ilocos Sur, Philippines. Hello po, kumusta dyan? Shout out to Lito Oclaret from Riyadh, KSA. Hello. Shout out to Josepe Dorilag from Dubai. Hello. Shout out to Sean and Normita from Vancouver, Canada. Hello. Shout out to Roberto San Pedro. Aba, pangilan mo na to sila. Joke lang. Joke lang yun, sir. It's okay. It's okay. Tawanan lang tayo dito. And last but not the least, kilala ko to. Kaibigan ko to na naghahanap ng foreigner. De, bero lang. Baka maano tayo dito. Shout out to Dayan Sumeni from Philippines. Hello Dayan, kumusta? And thank you guys for requesting to shout out, and thank you so much for watching my videos, liking, commenting, subscribing. Thank you so much. We are stopped here for tonight. We are stopped here in Ohio. Ayan, magpa-video-video muna ako sa mga mais kasi ang daming mais. Ewan ko ba kung kailan ang harvest nito. So, ang dami-daming bunga talaga guys. Oh, ang lalaki pa ng mga bunga. Ang lalaki. Ang lawak pa ng farm nila dito. Sarap nito. Pwede ba kumuha at maglaga? Bili kami guys ng makakain namin for dinner.
What do you want?
This one, honey. I love this one. You don't have with spinach, so maybe I will ask if they have the spinach one.
Yeah.
Bread steak and strombolini. Ka-cheesy niya, oh. But, iba kasi yung order ni Mister, kaya nag-order siya doon sa Bob Evans restaurant. Nihintay lang niya. His order is fish and chips. So, we're gonna eat it he will eat it in the truck. So, see you guys next time. Bye guys!